Hello, and thank you for tuning into the show. I'm your host, Quentin Weed. To dig into this story, I first spoke to a student who wished to remain anonymous.
What's your, whole deal? How much money you make in a month? And it's like, I don't know. I don't have any idea what that's about. So, you sit there and it's like, okay, what do I need to do to get in here?
He had a slightly more troubled take on the whole thing.
Personally, trying to move out, it has been absolutely horrendous.
Galaxy Productions present an adaptation of Winthrop Parkhurst's The Beggar and the King, starring Eric Price, Kira Smith, and Quentin Weed.
Bread, give me some bread.
He seems very hungry, O king.
Now the complaint of thy voice annoys me greatly. Therefore, do not beg any more.
Nothing is worse than the sinking feeling of forgetting your keys. To get yours today, go to www.nofireacquired.com. Misuse of No Fire Acquired brand fire axe could result in serious injury or death. Keep out of reach of children. Welcome to History Off the Leash. I'm your host, Quentin Weed, here today with Eric Price.
An entire wooden airfield with fake wooden planes just to make it look like that was a place that they were sending.
That sounds right. We had cracked the Japanese for so long and they had no idea, so Denver International Airport opened in 1995. It is also a known fact that the airport once had quite substantial underground transport facilities in the event of Armageddon. This stone is admittedly very strange.